Hi, I'm Kate. I'm a specialist speech therapist and I am the author of Ultimate Speech Sounds and creator of the avatar DARA. DARA is available in 7 different English-speaking accents. This includes Australian, Irish, English and American, as well as South African, Canadian and New Zealand. So now you have access to a tool that uses the correct accent to model to your child. All the DARA animations are available in an app through my website on Resourceible.com. I'll put a link below so you can find it. Today's video is in an RP English accent and we're going to have a look at the sound shh. 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 You can find out more about DARA through my website Resourceible.com. You can also find time-saving and cost-effective resources covering all areas of speech and language therapy on my website. They're all in PDFs that are available immediately for an instant download. And there might be a few freebies too. I hope you have found this video helpful and I look forward to you joining me on Resourceible.com.